In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the display language in Google Chrome. Maybe you've just started learning a new language and you'd like to immerse yourself a little more, or perhaps you're more comfortable navigating Chrome in your native tongue. Whatever the reason, adjusting Chrome's language setting is a straightforward process that will make your browsing experience more personalized and comfortable. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Google Chrome browser. Once you have Chrome open, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of the window. Here you'll find the familiar three-dot menu. Click on that. This menu is essentially the gateway to all of Chrome's customization options, so it's handy to know your way around it. After clicking the three-dot menu, a drop-down list will appear. From here, you'll want to select Settings. Doing so will open a new tab within the browser, presenting a wide array of options that allow you to adjust various settings to better fit your needs. Now, over on the left-hand side, you'll notice a panel. This is where you can navigate through more specific categories within the settings menu. You'll want to look for the section labeled Languages and give it a click. This section contains all the options related to the languages Chrome uses for its interface and for translating pages. Within the Languages section, you'll see an Add Languages button. Clicking on this will bring up a list of languages available for Chrome to use. It's a pretty extensive list, and you'll likely find the language you're looking for. Once you've opened this list, all you need to do is type the name of the language you'd like to add. For instance, let's say you're interested in adding Filipino. When you find your desired language in the list, you'll notice a small box beside it. Go ahead and check that box to make your selection official. After checking the box, only one more step is needed here. Click the Add button to confirm your choice and add the language to Chrome's options list. You've successfully added a new language, but to actually switch Chrome's display language, there's one more step you'll need to take. Next to the language you added, you will see another three-dot menu. Click it, and then select the option that says Display Google Chrome in this language. By doing this, you tell Chrome that you want it to use the new language for its entire interface. Finally, to apply these changes, you need to restart Chrome. A convenient Relaunch button will appear once you've made the language switch. Click Relaunch, and Chrome will close and then reopen with the entire interface in your newly selected language. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've set up Chrome to display in your chosen language, enhancing your browsing experience in a more personalized way.